In this video, we'll explore how to achieve this beautiful balance in your own home, with tips and insights into creating a space that feels both fresh and enduring. Let's dive into the world of modern classic interior design and discover how you can bring this timeless style to life. What is modern classic design? Modern classic interior design is a harmonious blend of the old and the new. It captures the elegance of classic design while embracing the simplicity and functionality of modern elements. This style is defined by its timeless appeal, where clean lines meet luxurious materials, creating a space that feels both refined and comfortable. Key characteristics include neutral color palettes, symmetrical layouts, and a focus on quality and craftsmanship. By understanding these elements, you can create a home that feels effortlessly stylish and remains relevant across generations. Let's explore the essential features that define this captivating design style. When it comes to furniture in modern classic design, think of clean lines and timeless shapes. Pieces like tufted sofas, classic armchairs, and wooden coffee tables are staples in this style. They provide a grounded look that anchors the space while allowing room for more modern accents. The color palette plays a crucial role in achieving this style. Neutral tones such as beige, white, gray, and soft pastels dominate, creating a calming backdrop that exudes sophistication. These colors serve as a canvas for adding layers of texture and interest. Materials are another defining element of modern classic interiors. Luxurious materials like marble, wood, and metal add depth and richness to the space. Marble countertops, wooden flooring, and metallic accents in lighting fixtures or decor enhance the room's elegance. Textiles such as silk, velvet, and linen also contribute to the luxurious feel, offering a tactile experience that enriches the overall aesthetic. By focusing on these key elements, you can create a modern classic space that feels both timeless and relevant. Tips for incorporating modern classic design. Starting with modern classic design in your home can be both exciting and straightforward. One effective way to begin is with small changes. Try incorporating classic decor pieces like elegant vases, framed artwork, or tasteful rugs. These elements can instantly elevate your space and set the tone for the rest of your design. Mixing and matching is another key to achieving the modern classic look. Combine contemporary light fixtures with traditional furniture or blend sleek modern accessories with classic textiles. This approach creates a harmonious balance, showcasing the best of both worlds. For example, pairing a modern lamp with a vintage sofa can bring a unique touch to your room. Focus on balance to ensure your design feels cohesive. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many items. Instead, select a few standout pieces and give them room to breathe. This strategy helps maintain a clean and sophisticated look, allowing each element to contribute to the overall harmony of the room. By following these tips, you can seamlessly integrate modern classic design into your home, creating a space that feels both elegant and inviting. Benefits of modern classic design. Modern classic design offers timeless appeal, making it a great long-term choice for your home. Its blend of elegance and simplicity means it never goes out of style, ensuring your space remains sophisticated for years. Additionally, this design is highly versatile, fitting seamlessly into any room from living areas to bedrooms. Its balanced approach allows for easy updates and personal touches, making it adaptable to changing tastes and trends. Embracing modern classic design means investing in a style that combines enduring beauty with practical versatility.